What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another sneaker unboxing. Now can someone please tell me why mids are going for over retail? Like it boggles my mind. This is a pair of Air Jordan 1 mids. They come in a regular like Jordan box. This is a shattered backboard. Shattered backboard is supposed to be exciting. Why does it come in this regular box? Let's check them out. As you can see, we have an Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard here. Except it's a mid, so it's not nearly as cool as the high. I believe like the sizes between like 8 to 10 or 11 are going for like over retail because I guess they haven't been produced as much as they should have been. But I guess you can see some quality in this shoe. Like this white leather is quite nice, it's tumbled. The orange Nike patent logo right here is pretty nice. I'm not too sure about this orange material. I'm not sure if I like it too much. That Air Jordan trademark logo though, super iconic as you can see. Very nice pair of shoes, all in all. Conventional Air Jordan 1 bottom. One of my favorite things about this bottom here is that it squeaks a lot and it's quite entertaining. Especially if you're walking around in the mall and you want to make some noise. Show people you got some brand new kicks on. Anyway, let's check out how these look on foot. And maybe I'll change my mind about mids. Let's see how they look. Okay, so I finally have these on foot. I do think they're pretty cool. They're kind of like a more casual Air Jordan 1, if you know what I mean. I mean, if you could wear highs with a suit, I guess you could wear this with like a polo shirt. Not that I would do either of those things. If you like mids like these, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them on StockX. They look especially good with this denim. This is Scotch and Soda denim. If you like it, check it out on Amazon. There's an affiliate marketing link in the description. I can't lie, like they look really good on foot. I guess I'm starting to understand why people buy these. But can we all agree that we'd rather have highs? Like we're just settling when we buy mids. That's just how I feel. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the Amazon affiliate link to get Scotch and Soda denim or the StockX affiliate link to buy a pair of these for yourself. They really help out the channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to hear your opinions. Goodbye.